Hello students, welcome to your 8th standard mathematics class. Today let's start with lesson number 8, quadrilaterals, constructions and types. First let us see the construction of quadrilaterals. But before we study the construction of quadrilaterals, let us study the construction of triangles. You had studied the construction of triangles in your previous standard. Let's revise it quickly. Now what is meant by construction? Suppose a building needs to be constructed, one needs to know the accurate map of the building. Construction means to draw the lines and angles accurately. Now, a triangle is a simple closed figure created by three line segments. Now, in geometry, any 3 points, specifically non-collinear, form a unique triangle. Now, what are the basic elements of a triangle? Yes, the basic elements of a triangle are sides, angles, and vertices. Now, you have learned in your previous standard the construction of triangles. So given the three sides, you can construct a triangle. That is the first case. The second case is if you know two angles and the included side, then we can construct the triangle. Now what is meant by included side? Included side means the arm that is common to the two angles. The third case is if you know two sides and the included angle, then you can construct a triangle. In the fourth case, if it is a right angle triangle, if one side and the hypotenuse is given, you can construct the triangle. When you take measurements on the compass, please make sure that you take accurate measurements. The tip of the compass should be always on 0 and the pencil point should be exactly on the length of the segment that you want to take. So now let's take a quick revision of the construction of triangles. You want to construct triangle ABC, where length AB is 5 centimeters, BC is 5.5 centimeters, and AC is 6 centimeters. So what is the first step that we have to do? Yes, in a construction, the first step is to draw a rough figure. So let us draw the rough figure. Drawing a rough figure will help you to plan out the steps of your construction. Once your rough figure is ready, you can plan your construction accordingly. First, let us draw the length AC, 6 centimeters. So let us mark the 0 and then mark 6 centimeters. This is 0 and this is the point that marks 6 centimeter. Let us join the 2 points. So this is segment AC, which is 6 centimeters. Now let's mark AB, which is 5 centimeters. For that, let us take the measure on the compass. Keep the point of the compass at 0 and open the pencil up to 5 centimeters. Okay. So this distance which is on the compass is 5 centimeters. Now keep the compass pointer at point A and draw an arc. Now keep the pointer at A and draw an arc. Now we have got the distance AB, which is 5 centimeters, but we still haven't got the point B. So for that we have to measure the length BC again on the compass and draw the arc from C. So length BC is 5.5 centimeters. So let's take that on the compass. Repeat the same step. Put the pointer on 0 and stretch the pencil point to 5.5 centimeters. So the distance that you have on the compass is 5.5 centimeter. Now keep the pointer at C and draw an arc to cut the previous arc like this. Now you have got a point of intersection over here. Now this point is point B. Join point A and B and also point B and C, and that will complete your triangle. You've got triangle ABC. So knowing the three sides of the triangle, you can construct a triangle. Now let's see the second question. We have to construct triangle DEF, where measure angle D is 35 degree, measure angle F is 100 degree, and length DF is 4.8 centimeters. Now in this case, two angles are given and the included side. Included side means the side that comes in between the two given angles. I have drawn the rough figure here. The two angles that are given is angle D and angle F, and the side between the two of them, that is common arm. First let us draw segment DF, which is 4.8 centimeters. Let us mark the points D, F. The distance is 4.8 centimeters. Now keep the protractor at D and mark the angle 35. So this is 30 and this is 35. Mark the point and join the point and the vertex D using the ruler. Now angle F is 100 degree. That means it is an obtuse angle. Now put the protractor on vertex F. The angle is 100 degree. So this is your point 100. Children sometimes make the mistake of considering this 100. This is when you are moving from this 0. But in this case, your arm is to the left of the vertex. So you have to consider the 0 on the top. So you move all the way, come to the 100 here and mark the point. Now join the points that you marked and the vertex. The point of intersection of the two rays will give you the point E. Okay, so this is how you draw the triangle when two angles and one side is given. This is angle D is 35 degree and angle F is 100 degree. This is how your completed figure will look. Now let's see the third question. Let's construct triangle MNP where length PM is 6.2 centimeters. Length NP is 4.5 centimeters and measure angle P is 75 degree. I have drawn the rough figure for you. Here two sides are given and the included angle. The two sides of the triangle are given and the angle that comes in between the two sides, that is the included angle, is given. First let us draw the base PM, which is 6.2 centimeters. PM is 6.2 centimeters. Now we have to construct angle P, which is 75 degree. Keep the center of the protractor at the vertex P and mark 75 degree on the protractor. This is point 75. So mark the point 75. Join the point and the vertex. Now the length PN is given as 4.5 centimeters. For that we have to take the measure 4.5 on the compass. Now keep the pointer at P and draw an arc to cut this arm at that distance. Now this point of intersection is the point N. Now join point N and M and your construction is complete. And you get the triangle MNP. Now let's take the fourth question. Construct triangle XYZ where measure angle Y is 90 degree. Length XY is 4.2 centimeters and length XZ is 7 centimeters. Now here it's given that measure angle Y is 90 degree. That means XYZ is a right angled triangle. So your rough figure also should resemble a right angled triangle. Okay, which is the angle which is 90? It is angle Y. So this point is angle Y. Now XY is 4.2. So let us take this as X. So this becomes 4.2 centimeters and XZ. So the third point here is Z and this is 7 centimeters. Draw XY, which is 4.2 centimeters. Now with Y as vertex, mark 90 degree. Join the 2 points. Now take 7 centimeters on the compass. Same step, keep the pointer at 0 and stretch the pencil pointer to 7 centimeters. Now keep the pointer at X because the distance XZ is 7 centimeters. Now keep the pointer at X and cut the previous line. Now you get the point of intersection here. Join this point and the point X. Mark this point as Z. You've got your triangle XYZ where angle Y is 90 degree. Or triangle XYZ is a right angle triangle. Now using these constructions, we are going to construct the quadrilateral. So please revise all the 4 constructions once again. Thank you and have a nice day.